Yeah, hi there, it's Bernina Robin. Welcome to my studio. I'm now going to show you how to pack away your Bernina 830 correctly. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the sew table off, and you just flick this little lever and pull your sew table off sideways. You've already turned your machine off. You're going to turn it around. Take your knee control out, just pull it straight out. You turn your machine and unplug it. And then when you put your lead away, you just pull it out of here, like that. And you can just get your two leads, put them together. And if you've got a little bit of Velcro or a rubber band, you can just tie that around. Or you could just go through here once and it will just hold there. Now, this is your wonderful case that comes with your machine. And there's little latches that you just open up, and we're going to turn it around this way so you can see. Now, the sew table goes onto here, and it can only go one way because there's a cutout that shows you the shape of the table. Then you turn this and that holds that in place. It can't go anywhere. The knee control goes in behind here and up over this little bar there, and that just lifts over and holds that in place. Okay? The book and the toolbox go in here. Like that. Stay, there we are. And then what I do with the thread is I take the thread off and I put it down here and I wind this down so my thread is underneath my needle bar so that it doesn't run away on me, and I've got my thread still there if you want to leave your thread on. Then lift your thread from under, your machine from under here, lift it up and you put it so that it sits in. There's some little lugs, little cutouts that the machine actually sits in really, really nicely there. And then you can put your, you can put this in behind here. Slip that in behind here. And you can slip this in behind here because there's plenty of room. And then put it down. You don't need to put these down or anything. Then that's all snug as a bug. And then you can just lift this up, put it on, and then bring this forward and lock it, and bring this forward and lock it, like that. Lift it from your handle. If you can see that your handle's weakened, lift it from underneath as well. So that's all tucked away, ready to go. But I don't want to see your machine in a cupboard for the next 5 years. I want to see you using these beautiful machines. And like I said, if you haven't had it checked over by a technician, please take it in and get it checked because they're well worth looking after. They're a beautiful machine. So there's just another little insight into the beautiful Bernina 830 Legacy machine, and I will see you next time. And how about we go making something with it? That will be fun. So I will see you again in my studio. See you later.